Alright, in this video we're going to talk about why this type of TV sucks. So as you can see here, I have 4 TVs, I have another TV, so these are ONN TV, ONN. Here I have a TLC, you cannot see it, but it doesn't matter. Basically, both they have the same issue. So basically this is the remote control, it comes with the Roku TV system, and if you have, for instance, a wall TV like that, or you have maybe one TV, and when you want to switch between the HDMI, you know, between HDMI 1 and 2, you're having the issues that, you know, you have to go through the menu. I'll show you now. For instance, I have to click here, and then after it loads up, you can switch between one or the other, or you just turn on the TV, and then you have to go through all those menus in order to be able to, you know, to use the HDMI. Like for instance, in this case, I found a way to turn on the TV and it will go to one HDMI, but otherwise it will go just directly to the regular menu, and then you have to go through everything. And in my case, I'm using these TVs as a monitor, so I found out a way to resolve that issue with this product that you see here. So basically this is the HDMI switch. So because I have 4 TVs, I have one Apple TV, and I have one computer that I use for trading. So basically I want to be able to, when I'm making the videos like now, right now, I want to use one remote control that I push button number 1 or button number 2, and then I can switch between one or the other. So if I push it like that, I should be able to see, for instance, the Apple TV. It will be like a huge screen. It will utilize the 4 TVs as a one TV. That is a cool thing. And if I push number 2, you know, I can go back to the computer, and that's it. So that is the problem I was having, and this is the best solution. So that way I don't have to deal with the remote control, you know, I don't have to go through the menu and switch between one and the other, and it's a pain in the butt. So basically this is the solution. So I'm going to show you the screen first. So this is what I bought, is $18. So as you can see, it looks, I mean, it's very economical for 8K resolution, 60 Hz. So you can switch between one and the other, and also it comes with the remote control. So I bought this. I'm going to show you about 4 of these because I have 4 TVs, and here I have the device. So as you can see, I took it out of the box already, so that way it will be faster if you want to see it. Also, yeah, I'm in US. If you need tools, electronics, or anything like that, if you want me to ship it to you, I can do that. Otherwise, I'll leave you the link and you can buy it yourself. So this is the model, as you can see, HC281. The good thing about this, when you take it out of the box, it comes with the remote control, the basic manual. And I'm not going to use all the remote controls. I'm going to use one remote control to control all the switches, so that way I can have one switch for each TV. Because in this case, if you don't know, I have, like I said in the beginning of the video, I have one computer that that comes with 2 video cards and 8 HDMI ports, so that way I can control all my screens like that. But if I want to switch between the Apple TV and the computer, I want to use this. So I want to install one of these in each TV. So that is the easiest solution I found, and it's very economical. So I want to switch the camera so that way you can see. So this is the product. So basically when you buy it, it comes like that. I mean, it's very tiny, as you can see here. And in the other side you don't have anything. Here you have the ports. So as you can see, here we have the HDMI 1 and HDMI 2. This is the input, and here we have the output, and here we have the infrared, and here we have the power. So the power is with the USB. That's cool, but I'm going to tell you the disadvantage. So you plug this in, it doesn't come with the power supply, as you can see, but you can connect it to your TV. In my case, this type of TVs, I don't know if they have some issues or anything like that, but the USB port is no power, it doesn't have enough current to power this up, so I had to buy another charger, so that way you can see here. So one of these chargers, $8, so you can get this, and you can you can connect them all with one device. So that is, I mean, that is the best solution. So otherwise, if you have a better TV, you can connect this to the TV, and that's it. And after that, all you have to do, I'm going to change the screen again. So you connect this to the TV if it works, otherwise you will have to buy one of those external power supply. Here, like I said before, you're going to connect here the infrared port that you see, and you're going to leave it this in the front of the TV, and this can go in the very back. So as you can see here, well, you cannot see, it's like very tiny, is in that little dot that you see over there, that is the infrared. So I'm going to leave it, hang it somewhere else, or like very in a tiny place, maybe between the TVs, and that's it. So with one remote control, I'm going to be able to control everything with one device. So that way you don't have to go, through this. Some TVs you're going to have the advantage that maybe you push, for instance, one button, and then you can, switch between the HDMIs. In my case, you have to push this, and then you have to play with the menu with this, and it's slow. So I prefer the other, is way faster, like I showed you before. So the remote control is very simple. The one that comes with this is just press 1 or 2, and that's it. I don't know what is this play for, play button. I don't know, maybe it goes between these two, but I don't care. In my case, it's just 1, 2, or maybe I can try to play this right now and see what it does. Maybe switch to the other HDMI, maybe, is that? No, it seems like it does. It seems like it will turn it off. The button, the play button that I was talking before. Yep, it seems like it will pause the signal. So otherwise, I'm going to use these two, and that's it. So that is my best solution for this type of things, and that's it. So if you have any question, please let me know in the section below. And if you want to learn more about this, go to my playlist. I have another video about this type of TV, because I bought a huge structure on Amazon that is very nice, so it will allow me to put like 9 TVs very easily. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below, and see you in the next class.